Hello and welcome to another episode of PCS Current News. The topic of discussion is Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India has appointed Poonam Gupta as its new Deputy Governor. The appointment comes ahead of the RBI's bi-monthly Monetary Policy Committee meeting scheduled for 7 to 9 April 2025. Gupta's term as Deputy Governor will last for 3 years. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501. About Poonam Gupta. Poonam Gupta is currently the Director General of the National Council of Applied Economic Research, India's leading economic policy think tank. She is a member of the Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council and serves as the convener of the Advisory Council to the 16th Finance Commission. Prior to joining NCAER in 2021, she held senior roles at International Monetary Fund and the World Bank in Washington, D.C. for nearly 2 decades. Gupta has also been involved in teaching economics at institutions like the Delhi School of Economics, the University of Maryland, and the Indian Statistical Institute in Delhi. Key functions of the RBI: monetary policy. The RBI formulates, implements, and monitors India's monetary policy to maintain price stability and ensure credit flows to productive sectors. Currency management. It regulates the issue of bank notes and maintains the supply of currency in the country. Regulatory role. The RBI acts as a regulator and supervisor of the financial system, including commercial banks, financial institutions, and non-banking finance companies. Foreign exchange management. It manages foreign exchange under the Foreign Exchange Management Act of 1999 to facilitate external trade and payments. Structure of the RBI. Central Board of Directors. The RBI is governed by a 21-member Central Board of Directors, which includes the Governor, Deputy Governors, and other officials. Regional offices. The RBI has 4 zonal offices in Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, and Chennai, along with about 22 regional offices across India. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the duration of Poonam Gupta's term as RBI Deputy Governor? 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, or 4 years? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.